Hi everyone! Today I'm going to attempt to teach you how to use Panda Crazy. To start, you need Tamper Monkey or Grease Monkey installed, depending on your browser. If you don't have that, go do that first. After that, you'll navigate to greasyfork.org, and here it's already on the front page. Otherwise, you could use the search function for Panda Crazy. So let's click that. Install the script, install here, X out, and then follow the author's description. Click this link for Panda Crazy Helper, install that script, click install again, and then go back to Panda Crazy. In the author's description, they've included a link that you need to bookmark in order to use Panda Crazy. I've already got it bookmarked, so let's go ahead and go there. And Panda Crazy will boot up. Here is your dashboard for Panda Crazy. You can see that I have a bunch of jobs. There's your queue down here. It'll display all the work that you have. You can return, continue. You can open your queue. So let's put a panda into this. Go to hit scraper. Let's try this one. All right. So there's no other hits available. It's added these buttons here. If this was a batch that you wanted to catch more than one hit from, you'd click Panda. But if it was a survey or something you only wanted one of, you would click once. So let's click once. And go back. And this one right here with the green collect button is the one that we just added. You'll see that it just has all these numbers and letters. I think that's the group ID or hit ID. I can't remember which. But the ones that I have caught already have all of their info saved. It automatically grabs it as soon as you catch it. To stop it, you click collect and the button turns white. To start it again, you click collect. If you decided that you wanted only this hit and you wanted to collect as many as possible, you would click once on Go Ham. That grays out all the other hits and focuses only on this one. You can see that it's searching. It's already searched 56 times for this one hit. However, if you wanted to wait until a panda is found, until it finds the hit, and then for it to go ham, you just hold your mouse and click it long click it. And that way, all your other pandas can run at the same time. So let's stop those. Okay, let's do up here at the top. When you install it, it comes with these 3 tabs that you can use to organize your hits. Daily hits and rare hits. You can also add a new tab by clicking that. And delete it by clicking the X. You can create groups. So let's say I want to create by selection. So let's say I want to create a group just for these hits. Create that grouping and we'll call it this. That adds it to the groupings list. Now if you wanted to start that group just to collect those hits, you can click Start Group, select Miss, and it will automatically start all of those hits. If you wanted to stop all of your hits that are currently running, you can click Stop All. That stops all hits that you had going. If you just wanted to pause them, you could click pause. Okay, so this is how long in between searches it goes. The more pandas you have running, this will probably become a longer time. Sometimes you want to reset it so that it goes back and it starts searching quicker. This shows how many you've accepted from Panda Crazy during your session. This shows how many page request errors you're getting. So if you feel like your timer is too quick and you want to lengthen the time between searches, you could click, there are these 1, 2, and 3. That's your cycler options. So if you click 2, it shows you, it pops up, use second cycle timer, 1400 milliseconds, or 3, 2100 milliseconds. You can also change those. There's all kinds of different settings here that you can play with. Okay. Let's go back to our main details. Here you can add, if you haven't caught the hit yet, but you still want to remember what it is, let's say we'll do that, and it'll add a title to your hit so that you know what it's searching for. You can also add the requester ID. If you have the requester ID, like this one right here, you can add it in and you can click search. And what this does, it explains it on the pop-up right here. A search is you Panda first hit from the requester. So for requesters that post a lot of different hits or a lot of different pandas, like sets or, just anything, Mturk faces, you could add the requester ID and turn it into a search. Okay. When you install Panda Crazy, it comes with alarms that are loud and long, and you probably want to change them. To do that, you click Options and then click Alarms, and this will pop up. You can change all of your settings here about when things will be alarmed, like when it dings. You can change the audio by clicking this and picking an audio file. It's set by default to alarm you when a hit has 5 minutes or less on the timer, and you can mute that alarm by clicking here. Or if you think your alarms are too loud or too quiet, you can change their volume here. You can also manually add a panda by clicking Add Job. This would be panding, this would be once. You can also include the shortener URLs. You can pull that up and it'll search different jobs that are available at the time and allow you to collect them, to view the details. Pretty much anything on Panda Crazy. If you don't know what it is, hover over it and it pops up with the description. I'm sure there's plenty other stuff that I haven't covered, but there's also a help section here. You can click that and it has everything you could possibly want to know or learn about the script and how to do it. All right, so I think that's it. I hope this helped.